Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Candlewick Lake, local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating is a big deal, and we offer all the necessary options for your move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Hiring the right long-distance moving company means you don't have to worry. With our help, relocating 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away becomes easier. No matter the reason you plan to move, we can make it so much easier. Getting the right Illinois moving company will help make your move easier. You just want to get to your new location and start settling in, but everything has to be packed and moved. Our team makes it so much easier to move, even if you're just going a few miles away. 3 Movers will take away the heavy lifting to save you time and energy. You get to settle in much faster by arriving sooner with more energy. We can even do the packing and unpacking for you. Our team can handle even a large local move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Candlewick Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.